In this video, I'll show you how to set up a recurring subscription in Stripe Billing. First, sign in to your Stripe dashboard and go to Product Catalog, then select Products. If you haven't already created the product you want to sell, click Add Product and enter the product name, description, and any additional details that apply to your business. Next, scroll to the Pricing section and click Add Price. Choose Recurring as the pricing model, then select the billing interval, such as weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Enter the subscription price and review the currency and billing settings before saving the recurring price. Make sure everything is correct, since this is the price your customers will be charged on each billing cycle. After that, go to Billing and review your subscription settings. Configure options such as free trials, automatic tax if you're using it, payment methods, and any customer notification settings that fit your business. If you're creating a subscription manually, select an existing customer or create a new customer profile before continuing. Now, create the subscription by choosing the customer and selecting the recurring price you just created. Carefully review the billing interval, subscription amount, and payment method. If you're using Stripe Checkout or your own website, complete a test subscription to verify that the checkout process works correctly and that recurring payments are being scheduled as expected. Finally, return to the billing section to monitor your active subscriptions. From there, you can view upcoming invoices, track successful and failed payments, update subscription plans, pause or cancel subscriptions when needed, and manage your customers' recurring billing from one place. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a recurring subscription in Stripe Billing. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.